Some countries are developing a 6th-generation fighter. The UK is developing the Tempest, and Russia and China are focusing on the MiG-41 and the J-20 Dragon, respectively. But what has caught more attention is USA's NGAD, which will replace the 5th-generation fighters. This video looks at the US 6th-generation fighter, extraordinary war weapon design, and performance Putin hates. 6th-generation fighters. As the world advances, so does the world of aeronautics. For example, it is believed the United States is spending over $1.7 billion on developing the new fighter jet that will replace its current fighters, such as the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor and the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. So one will ask, if the United States has two of the most powerful 5th-generation fighters, why are they seeking to develop a 6th-generation fighter, the Next Generation Air Dominance? NGAD answers that. We talk more about the NGAD later in the video, so keep watching. The US is not the only nation developing a 6th-generation fighter. Some other countries are also developing a list of 6th-generation fighter jets. The UK is developing the Tempest, Russia is developing the MiG-41 Interceptor, China is focusing on the J-20 Mighty Dragon, and several others. Although there only limited information about these 6th-generation fighters is available, obviously for security reasons, they're expected to be in action around 2030, with the US 6th-generation fighter jet likely to be the first war-ready next-generation fighter. Not much has been said about the NGAD, but we know that it will surely be better in design and performance than the leading 5th-generation fighters. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor and the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. A quick look at them will give us an idea of what to expect in the 6th-generation fighter. 5th-generation fighters. The NGAD will replace United States Lockheed F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, currently considered the most advanced warplanes on the planet. We will see why they're classified as so. But before that, subscribe to our channel. We have all the latest US military news for you. Let's continue. As stated by former Air Force Chief of Staff Gen. Mark Welsh, the F-35 was designed to be the multipurpose data integration platform that could do all kinds of things in the air-to-ground arena, whereas the F-22 was created explicitly for air superiority. The F-22 has 3 internal points that house about 7 La-142 missiles and about 10,000 pounds of AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. The F-35, on the other hand, has critical air-to-surface projectiles such as Joint Direct Attack Munition, Paveway laser-guided bombs, and the AGM-154 Joint Standoff Weapon. Aside from their superior weaponry, the F-22 and F-35 have turbofan engines, over 35,000 pounds force of power, a maximum speed of 3,635 kmph and 1,932 kmph, respectively, at an economical fuel consumption rate and a high climb rate of 68,897 feet per minute and 40,000 feet per minute, respectively.
Impressive.
With the high speed, maneuverability, stealthy design, superior weaponry, and reasonable takeoff rate, there is no wonder these two are the top 5th-generation aircraft fighters. The upcoming NGAD promises to be better, and we will talk about the performance of NGAD soon. NGAD design. The Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD, also known as the Penetrative Counter-Air, is a United States initiative to develop a family of systems that will replace the current 5th-generation fighters. Although the United States Air Force reports that it had flown a prototype of the NGAD jet, snippets of information about the new fighter jet are known mainly because of security reasons and the possibility of other countries emulating the design. The aircraft is still at its conceptual stage, but a few indications give us a glimpse of what we should expect. In 2016, Northrop Grumman gave a glimpse of what might be the 6th-generation fighter in a TV commercial titled Just Wait. It portrayed a tailless blended wing-body aircraft, firing a laser at incoming missiles. Lockheed Martin also gives us a clue in a 2017 promotional video titled Skunk Works. On the path to 75 years of innovation, The image in the video depicts a tailless triangle-like jet similar to that of Northrop Grumman. Again, between 2008 and 2010, Boeing published several concept images featuring tailless carrier-borne aircraft, which many media channels used to illustrate the NGAD. It is evident from these various USA 6th generation fighter jets that the NGAD is likely to be a tailless triangular jet having features such as laser and drone-piloted weapons. What do you think it will look like? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section. NGAD performance. The NGAD is projected to have stealthy airframes and beyond visual range (BVR) missiles. The stealthy airframes will make the NGAD difficult to be detected by radar security, thereby increasing the jet's chances of entering anti-access aerial denial zones. The BVR missiles will also eliminate opponents' air defenses from about 100 miles away. The 6th generation fighter is also projected to have unmanned features. The latest U.S. military news states that the NGAD will consist of a human-crewed aircraft as the centerpiece, supported by an unmanned loyal wingman projected to be the Boeing MQ-28 drone, which will provide sensors, weapons, and other mission equipment for the NGAD. The NGAD is also projected to travel more distances than the current 5th generation fighters, and this is only possible with larger airframes to support more efficient engines. It could have the adaptive versatile engine technology, or a turbofan engine, which is very effective and fuel conservative. Although the weapons remain a secret, Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall tips that the NGAD will likely have advanced radar, infrared sensors, improved electro-optical cameras, and a set of energy-driven weapons such as lasers and microwaves. Buzz also reports that the NGAD will likely feature the AIM-267 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile.
The NGAD's primary weapon will most likely be the AIM-268 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, or JATM, which Lockheed Martin is currently developing. The JATM, which was first revealed at an Air Force industry conference in 2019, is designed to counter China's long-range PL-15 air-to-air missile.
And the JATM missile. So, considering the advanced maneuverability, better speed, and more efficient engines, it is no surprise Russia's Putin hates the NGAD already. Our video on possible US 6th generation fighter jet responsible for latest Ukraine win against Russia invasion will give you a better understanding of why Putin already hates the 6th generation fighter. Have fun watching it and see you next time.